Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Canva designs step by step. Whether you're downloading an image, PDF, video, or presentation, Canva makes it quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open Canva in your web browser and sign in to your account. Then open the design you want to download. Next, go to the top right corner and click the Share button. From the menu, select Download. Now choose the file type that best fits your needs. You can download your design as a PNG, JPG, PDF standard, PDF print, MP4 video, or GIF, depending on your project. If your design has multiple pages, choose whether you want to download all pages or only specific ones. For supported file types, you may also see options such as image size, quality, or a transparent background if you're using Canva Pro. Once everything is set, click the Download button. Canva will prepare your file and automatically download it to your computer. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and check that your file has been saved successfully. And that's it. That's how you can download Canva designs in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.